Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to the landings on Hillcrest Drive overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
Build your spectacular Canandaigua Lake View dream home on a rare, nearly 2-acre hilltop setting.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This premier nature setting has exceptional privacy on nearly 2 acres with breathtaking views of Canandaigua Lake.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
Enjoy the convenience of all public utilities, including electric, natural gas, public water, and sewers. The landings on Hillcrest Drive is a neighborhood of fine lakeview and waterfront homes. This rear lot is at the highest point for the most stunning and scenic lake views. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the landings on Hillcrest Drive overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!